Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP23 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on this first option, which is languages and input, and tap on languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently applied languages, so let's tap on add a language to be entered to this full list of available options from which you can choose. And basically find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick maybe this one and choose the region if you can. As you can see, the Turkish language has been immediately added actually to this list, but English is still a main one. So right now we have to reorder the languages just by tapping on the specific one and dragging it to the very first position. So let's tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it, and drag it to the first position. Of course, if you want to, you can remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the languages and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.